look closely at these three high volume points. So basically you can see this red, first green turns into bullish, second red turn into bearish, and third green turn into bullish. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use this indicator in TradingView, and we will define out this indicator. So let's start. First of all, you can ask ChatGPT to help you to define high volume means bearish or bullish coming. So basically, as you can see, when bullish signal, high volume on upwards price movement indicates a bullish, and also it indicates a breakout confirmation, while for bearish is also the same. When high volume means that it will be bearish, and also it will show a breakdown confirmation if the volume is high. And also you can study up using ChatGPT to help you to define the volume on candlestick chart pattern. For example, you can ask to help to analyze high volume. Basically, you can just use ChatGPT to help you to define. You also can screenshot the chart and also let ChatGPT for Omni new model to help you to define the price, the change based on volume. So basically that's how you can use ChatGPT to help you to define. You can just screenshot your photo and also just press and attach in ChatGPT. So let's start for today's video. So basically in today's video, we are using this indicator. You can just search up for indicator, search for volume signal, and you can choose this volume signal. Breakout volume can help confirm other signal. So basically you can just press for this volume signal and it will help you to generate this graph. Basically you can ask this to be defined. You can just press this three dot and just go to about this script, and you'll come into the definition of this chart. So basically you can see volume can help to confirm signal, and you also can use other technical to support for this breakout confirmation. And you can read out this definition on TradingView by just pressing the three dot, and you can go through this by yourself. Basically, as you can see in the graph, when green volume, high volume, it shows a reversal trend, and also you can see at here. So basically this indicator will help you to define a breakout based on volume. You also can add other indicators as a support. For example, if you want to play with volume, you can just go to volume profile fixed range, and you can ask volume profile to define out the support resistance on the graph. Basically you can see volume profile is generated out. You can use this volume profile to plot out your support and resistance. For example, we will need to customize the setting. So basically number of bar we need to choose for 350. So 250. So as you can see, it helps to generate out. We can use the highest volume position to plot for our support resistance. So basically when volume is high, profile high means that strong support resistance area region. So after that, you can just plot based on the one profile. For example, this will be our first support line, and you can just plot out the interval support line. So after that, I just plot three lines. So let us start. So first for this, as you can see here, the content of high volume. The volume is around 40 million, and this will be a reversal signal based on the graph. So you can just plan for your position. For example, this turns from downtrend into uptrend. It shows a reversal. you can just plan your position. For example, this area, the stop loss will be here, and for the upper side will be around this area. So basically you need to plan your trading to have the risk reward ratio more than 1, because when the risk reward ratio 1.52 is more than 1 means that you can gain more compared to you are losing. And you also need to obey your cut loss and take profit point, as this will this is the so basically you need to obey your point and take punctual activity based on your strategy. So as you can see at this area high volume, you can plan your trade based on volume, and we'll take the next position will be at around this area. So this will be our next position that we can make our trade. Basically red volume means that it will turn from up trend to a downtrend, so we can plan our trade. So you need to get short position, for example at this area confirmation. So basically you can plan your trade to here, this strong volume base, and for the cut loss will be at here. So basically this trade will be a good trade, as the risk reward ratio is 1.59, and also you can see from upside turn into downside, and it also support with the volume reversal point. So basically this is a good trade as it go down in a smoother way. So basically this is how you can plan for the trade. This trade will be better compared to the first trade, as this trade it has a more high reward compared to the risk. And next we will plot for our last point. So basically you can just take the point it shows for bullish, for example. So this will be a long position, and we will go through until this volume side, and also the stop loss will be here, and this will be a more lesser reward trade, as the risk reward ratio is 0.22. So basically for me I won't prefer to take this position, as also it shows a high breakout, means that the price will be high compared to the volume side. Most of the retailer or investor will be at a low position, so their position has much profit and they will take profit anytime. So basically this is a dangerous place. Basically for this I won't plan my trade compared to this second point. So yeah, basically this is how you can use this volume breakout indicator for your trading. But make sure that you try out your strategy tester, and also you do some paper trading before you start using this indicator in the real trading. So you also need to make sure that your trading is based on your strategy, but not any position that you make your trade. And also for disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice. So you make your trade based on your strategy, and you take this as a reference, as a educational reference only. Yeah, basically that's all how you can plan your trade based on volume profile and also for volume breakout. Thank you.